run or like do weight training for like chest. And then like, okay, what is okay? Balikat. Balikat. Tapos, ayun po, parang ngayon, nagiging masaya na ako kapag nag-workout ako, lalo na kapag mag-isa rin. Pero kasama ko rin si June. Usually yung kasama ko lagi kapag pumupunta po ako sa gym. And ayun, masaya rin po kasi parang pag nag-workout kaming dalawa, yung ginagawa po namin is like friendly battle. It's like, okay, how much you can run for today. And huwag po mag-aalala sa aming ahop dahil we're doing good. And we want you to focus on yourself as well para pag nagkita-kita po tayo, lahat po tayo in good condition. And makakapagsaya tayo and makakapag-enjoy po tayo together. Okay, so ayun lang po for today. And marami pa po akong chika. I have a lot more chika to share to you guys. So maybe in the next video. So please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hindi ka YouTuber! Okay, so yep, bye-bye. 사랑해요. Bye-bye. I love you guys. Mahal ko kayo. 사랑해요.